What's going on, you guys? You got Mike here from Mike'sMoneyTips.com, coming at you with another quick video about how to make money, the easiest money you'll ever make, because this video is all about stuff that you're doing anyway, that you can do one little extra step and make extra money for free. It don't cost anything. It's really easy. There's a lot of people out here making some money with it. You'll never get rich doing it, but you can get some money. You know, if you want a way to replace your income, check out the first link in the description. You know, it is a beautiful concept. It'll teach you how to make money from, whether you don't know anything about working online all the way up to a seasoned veteran. It can teach you more about that. So, without further ado, let's get started. First thing we're going to talk about is Ratukin. What used to be Ebates. Yeah, what we're talking about is cash back apps today. It's a beautiful thing. You're already going to the store anyway. You're already buying stuff, so why not find a way to make money with this? Matter of fact, with this one right here, you get $10 for signing up. If you get other people to sign up underneath you, you can get another $10. And as you can see here, you can get up to 40% cash back. They work with just about anybody, I think. It's a really good deal. All you got to do is just go on their website and see what type of cash back they're giving, and it's a really good deal. Next, we have Ibotta. What you do here, you go on the, let me make double sure. You go on our app and look at stuff. So you can shop online, in store. You can even save on beer and wine on this one. You can withdraw through PayPal or Vizio. All you got to do is basically take a picture of your receipt, and it'll give you your money back into PayPal or Vizio. That's what it was. It's a really good deal. You're already going to the store anyway, so why not take this extra step to get some of that money back that you've already spent? Then you can always save that money or put that money towards something else or whatever. The next one we got, which a whole lot of people ain't talking about here, is Cash Back App. But they all work basically the same. You just constantly taking pictures of your receipt. And tell you what, a lot of people won't tell you, you can download all these and use them all at the same time, because they're all different companies that's doing it. So you can almost get things for free if you do it properly. It's a really beautiful thing. Granted, I know I'm not really practicing what I preach. I need to, because it would help. But I don't know. I'm one of them frugal people that don't do it. That's just like you got all these couponers out here that do all this. I won't do that either. Here we got Checkout 51. It's grocery coupons. Is what it's for. See here, this Walmart receipt, you got $7.50 back, Ritz crackers, works anytime at any store, and all this stuff I believe is worldwide. So as long as you can get a PayPal account, you can get it all back. And you can refer friends and get even more cash back. So it's you browse grocery offers that are updated every Thursday. Buy groceries and other products from any store. Take a photo of your receipt to redeem and earn cash rewards. It's a real simple process. It's like I said, this is the easiest way y'all ever make money, I believe. Unless people just start printing out money and handing it out, I don't think there's much easier way, because you're already doing this anyhow. So, it's really a good process. Then the last one I'm going to show you is DOS. This one I know they give you $1 back when you, or $1 on your account as soon as you do it. But see, the really nice part about DOS, you can use it for hotels. You can use it for shopping and eating. DOS works on a lot of different platforms, and here again, if you refer a friend, you get paid. Matter of fact, with theirs, let me look. I think, I'm not going to swear to it, but I think if you refer a friend, you get a percentage of what they use. It's either that or you get $1 for each one. Oh, it don't say here. I know I've seen other people talk about it, and I think it's a percentage of what the other people use it for. So, no, you get $5 to refer a friend. That's what it is. Here we go. So yeah, I knew you got cash back for it, but I wasn't sure how much. Okay, so it's $5. And it's like I said, the really nice part on this one is that you can get it for hotels and going out to eat and everything else. That's the beauty about DOS. But it's all a percentage, and they pay up to 40% cash back. So, and if none of them really interest you, you can go on Google Play Store and just put in cash back apps, and you get all these right here that will give you a bunch of different cash back apps. So, you know, I promise you, if you didn't like the ones I showed you, there's plenty out here. And I know the ones I showed you are available for both Android and iPhone. This is the Android store, of course. I don't know about the others. You know, some of these, I don't know which ones are compatible. I know S'mores is compatible with both, and Flip. Hog Receipt is, I know. But, you know, there's certain ones that I know, but certain ones that a lot of these I don't know, like Fetch, I'm not sure. But yeah, there's a lot of other apps out there besides what I've said, obviously. So, you know, if y'all like what you heard, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what's up. Let me know what you'd like to see a video on. Maybe I can pull it off for you. But like I said, if you want actual income that can replace your current income, check out the first link in the description. And remember, I put out videos 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Later.